Yes, Massive and Crew, back once again with another video, and I just want to say much thanks for everybody who took part so far in the Kickstarter project and has shown much love. First of all, I must say I really appreciate everybody who's done so much good pledges and also shown us so much love. Now, I just wanted to shed some light onto a situation that basically occurred. Someone sent me a link where they were kind enough to post the Kickstarter project up onto Discogs to spread the word and stuff, which was really helpful. However, I did see some negative comments on there that I was really shocked to see, and to be honest, it really did touch me, because of all things in this project, I wasn't expecting to see negative comments on Discogs regarding the artwork for the song. To be fair, everything is done in good faith. I cannot really understand why there's negative comments. Is it constructive criticism, or is it just negative talk trying to discredit the project? Now, the thing is, regarding the artwork, when I first launched this project, bear in mind I had no idea on how well the project was going to go. So far it's exceeded my expectations, and the whole idea of the whole project was to keep costs as low as possible so we could reach the goal on Kickstarter. Now, this label is meant to look like the old school Brain. That's the idea I have in my head as an artist. It's not a graffiti masterpiece, yeah? To be fair, it's about the music. It's not about the cover. I know people were asking about copying the original label and stuff like that, but this is a brand new reissue. It's about you guys getting the tune. Some of the comments that some people have said is like,
the label is shite. Inkjet printer from Little Business. Needs some proper work. He needs to sort like Slam labels emo. Not this 2 Bob Miss Paint shit. The tunes are worth a proper job done.
Firstly, it's not MS Paint, it's done in Photoshop, yeah? Now come on, let's be real about this. When I go out to a club, yeah, and I'm out there raving, and I pull up rewind tune, and 10,000 people rewind that tune and ball out for the reliner and boop 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 and lick the walls, yeah? And then they go out to buy that record down the record shop, yeah, or online. Are you telling me, in their right mind, when they turn up at the record shop, they're going to look down at a white label record and say, I ain't buying that, the artwork's shit? You told me who does that shit.
Yeah, brother, you got that tune that goes boom to boom to boom 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 to boom to boom boom boom.
No, bro, I ain't buying that tune. That bullshit. I got no artwork. Nah, bruv. They got no label.
Don't get me wrong, guys, I do appreciate what you're saying. I understand you're vinyl collectors and you want it to look the same as the original, etc. Also, you have to understand, I cannot scan the label or just use the original label. Obviously, 20 years later, I'm putting out the original again, but Slam Records is not my label to be scanning and putting out there. That's why I'm putting on my label, which is Brain Records. It take up to 10 weeks for this vinyl to actually appear. So I'm getting a head start, putting my own funds into it and just sending it off to press first thing Monday. You know, if we start faffing about the artwork now, it could delay the project further. And it would also take all the people that have pledged so far to agree to change of artwork and also further delay. So guys, I've addressed this as fairly as possible. Let me know if I've missed something here. Please comment down below and we'll pick this up in another video. Want to know your views. Take care, God bless, peace.